My name is Eric McKinney, and this week I will be doing a technology tutorial on a website called Socrative. Socrative is a website and an application that can be used for quick, formative assessment by teachers of all subject areas and grade levels. The purpose is for teachers to be able to put small assessments into the system, and then using a room code, students take the assessment, which gives the teacher immediate feedback. Basic functions of the site allow for the teacher to make as many assessments as they want under their account. Once you have made an account, you sign in, and making a quiz is very simple. You simply go to the Quizzes tab and hit Create Quiz, and then from there you name your quiz, and then add multiple choice, true, false, or short answer questions. However, to get immediate feedback, teachers have to choose either multiple choice or true-false questions. If you want to add a multiple choice question, it looks like this. Once you have added as many questions as you desire, you can save your quiz and then give it to your students in a couple of different ways. What is good for teachers who work with a team or collaboration partner is that you can instantly share the quiz with a colleague by sending them the Socrative share code located in the top right corner. What is great about Socrative is that the teacher can seamlessly integrate the assessment into lessons where and when he or she might need to do a quick check for understanding. Teachers can use the assessment feature for warm-ups, exit slips, or even as a mid-lesson understanding check. The fact that the assessments can be any length also allows for more flexibility in using the application. For teachers looking for a quick review tool that is not simply an assessment, the Space Race feature is great to play a quick interactive game with your class. With this feature, you can select the number of teams, and the system assigns each student to a team randomly. You can see you can pick up to 20 teams. Once launched, you can make any assessment into a race where the entire team helps each other cross the finish line. This is a great way to make sure the students are working together, but it also gives you data that a more formative assessment would. The Reports feature also allows teachers to look at data instantaneously or after class because it is stored in the Reports section of the application. From here, you can view individual student scores or how the class did on each question of the assessment as a whole. Students can use this application as a learning tool because the assessments give immediate feedback after each question. Teachers can also put in special notes or explanations that will pop up after each question that could serve as a reminder of a concept covered in class. Students can measure their own level of understanding of any concept and using the teacher notes learn from any mistakes they might make. And you can see here where we did a benchmark review last year, and then I had a quick explanation of why the answer was correct. Overall, Socrative is a great way for teachers to gather data on their students without giving a summative assessment and to check for what concepts might need to be retaught. At the same time, it is also a great way for students to do self-checks and to interact with each other with the Space Race game feature. Personally, I use Socrative 2 to 3 times a week in my class, and I credit it for being a big part in reshaping my teaching and achieving great results on past testing the past few years. The fact that I can analyze what are my students' strengths and weaknesses immediately takes the guesswork out of review and also allows me to cover and recover areas of the curriculum that my students are struggling on. I would recommend it to any teacher in any subject area because it is a great way to get quick and accurate formative assessments.